traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of upcoming week currency pairs, what I'm expecting, how market gonna run in next week. So guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. Let's start our video. So as you can see, this is the chart of CAD JPY, but before I start, I'm gonna announce the winner. Who is that lucky person who win the entry of my paid group form, who comment on my previous video. Let's see who is that lucky winner who win the entry of my paid group. And the comment is, the person who comment on my video, on my previous video, is Megan Jonan. Thanks Rana, awesome analysis. Hope market will run according to your analysis. Good luck sir, and thanks a lot for everything. Congratulations Megan, you have to contact me on Telegram at UK Pro Trader, so I will add you in my paid group. Let's start our video. As you can see guys, this is the chart of CAD JPY. The guys who watched my previous video of free trading analysis, daily trading analysis, in which I have provided some signals as well. So we place this trade, it will go up, now it's coming down. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, and maybe it will come to this support level and then it's gonna go up, because I'm expecting CAD JPY to go up. So guys, this is just a forecast, that's not a signal. If you need a signal, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel. So you will get proper entry and exact point in my Telegram channel. So let's move to our next pair, which is CHF JPY. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair in this week. I was expecting this pair will go down, and we earn about 50 pips already from that. But what I'm looking for right now, if it break this level, the next target of CHF JPY is this level or this level, then it's gonna go down. But I'm not interested to buy this pair, so I'm expecting CHF JPY to go down. So I will see when the market will open next week Monday night. So I will check the price action, what's the price action on that time, then I will place the sell trade. So I'm expecting CHF JPY to go down. Let's move to our next pairs, which are AUD pairs. Let's start with the AUD JPY. As you can see, this is the chart of AUD JPY. Let me zoom in. Guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair because it's touched one of our key resistance. If it break that, if it will go up, I'm not interested to buy AUD JPY, because I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down in the long term time period, at least 0.70. If it break that, the next target of AUD JPY is 0.68, but it's not going to happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So what I'm expecting, this kind of movement, then I'm going to sell AUD JPY again, because I'm expecting AUD JPY to go down. So guys if you have any question about any pair, you can comment in the comment section. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CAD. I'm expecting all CAD pairs to go down, by the way. Let me zoom in. As you can see, it's break this resistance level, and I'm also interested in the sale of AUD CAD. But when the market will open next week, I will wait for this kind of movement, and I will wait for the breakout, and then I'm gonna sell, because I'm expecting AUD CAD to go down, and we can get easily 400 to 500 pips from that trade. But still, it's not gonna happen in one day and one night. If you have any question regarding this pairs, you can ask me in the comment. I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD CHF. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew we bought AUD CHF pair. So what I'm expecting, if it will come down at this level, then I'm gonna buy. Right now is in between, so I will not recommend anyone to place any trade, because I'm expecting it will go up. The guys who watch my previous video, the live trading one, in which I placed the live trade with you guys, so I bought this pair from here, so my take profit is here, and that's my stop loss. But I'm expecting AUD CHF to go up. But right now, for next week trade, I'm not looking anything, because as you can see, it's in between of my support and resistance level. Is moving a bit sideways. There is no volatility in this pair from last 1 week. It's moving, as you can see, the moving average as well. It's moving a bit sideways, but I'm expecting this pair to go up. When it will come down to this my support level, then I will enter again. So as you can see right now, trend is down, but it's a bit weak. So I'm expecting AUD CHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD NZD. Let me zoom out a bit. Yeah. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting is touch here, and I was expecting this pair to go down. As you can see, let me remove this. As you can see, it's already break my this support level. So the next target of AUD and ZD is 1.050. I'm expecting AUD and ZD to go down, but it's already down a lot, so I'm not interested to place any trade for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. From last couple of weeks, AUD USD is moving a bit sideways because we have an opportunity to take this trade because it's touched my this support level. It didn't break that, but I am not interested to buy this pair. I'm interested only sell. So next week when the market will open, I have to see if it break this resistance level and it will come up on this resistance level, then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting AUD USD to go down. So I'm only interested for the sell of AUD USD. That's it from our AUD pairs, Australian pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are Euro pairs, EUR pairs. So this is the chart of Euro AUD. As you can see, guys, it's touched one of our key support levels here, but I'm not interested to any place any trade for upcoming week because it's already going down. So if it break this support level, then I'm gonna interested in sale again. On that place, I will buy this. So I'm expecting AUD Euro AUD to go down for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro JPY. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew we sold this pair, and I also give this signal into my paid group as well, and it's already hit couple of targets. And as you can see, that's my take profit of that pair. So what that means is I'm expecting Euro JPY to go down. I'm just waiting for break this support level, and then the next target is 119. So I'm expecting Euro JPY to go down. So if it's what I'm expecting for upcoming week, like this kind of movement, so it will come up of this resistance level, which is our H4 resistance. So I'm gonna sell this. So what I'm expecting from Euro JPY, it will go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CAD. As you can see, this is the chart of Euro CAD. But right now Euro CAD is moving a bit sideways. As you can see, there is no volatility in this pair because it's not near to my support level or near to my resistance level. So I am not interested to replace any kind of trade of Euro CAD for upcoming week. If I go this kind of movement, if it will go up at least this level, then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting Euro CAD to go down. But this is not the right time to place this trade. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold that pair from here, and the student who are in my student group, they knew why we sold this pair. So we got all these pips from that pair. So I'm expecting Euro CAD to go down, but this is not the right time to sell this pair. So let's move to our next pair, which is Euro CHF. The guys who are watching from my previous video from last 1 to 2 months, what I was expecting Euro CHF to go up, and as the guys who are following me for quite a long time, they knew we got all this movement, but now is on coming down and is doing the wave pattern, 5-wave pattern. So what I'm expecting, when the market will open, I will see the price action. So maybe I'm gonna buy from here, or I will wait to come on this support level, then I'm gonna buy, because I'm expecting Euro CHF to go up, and it will go up a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. Let me zoom out. As you can see, euro NZD near to our daily support level. So if it break that, the next target of euro NZD is 0.65. that I wasn't expecting that's gonna happen. So what I'm expecting, I will wait for this kind of movement and then I'm gonna buy, because I'm expecting euro NZD to go up. So we will see when the market will open what kind of price action we will get, and we will place this trade according to that. Let's move to our next pair, which is euro USD. That's the daily chart of euro USD. Guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold euro USD this week. So what I am expecting to break this level, and then the next target of euro USD 1.09. So I'm expecting euro USD to go down, but still I will interested to place the sell trade on this level, or I'm expecting this kind of movement, and then I will wait for breakout and then I'm gonna sell. So I'm expecting euro USD to go down. So that's it from the euro pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which are GBP pound pair, GBP sterling pairs. Those are my favorite pairs. So let's move to our next pair, which is GBP USD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we buy GBP from 1.2350 level and we earn all these pips. So as you can see, it's break, let me remove this, it's break our this resistance level, but the bar close on daily below that resistance level. So is that thing is giving me a signal it will come down again on this level, and then I'm gonna buy. But I am interested only buying on GBP USD. I'm not interested to sell this pair. So what I am expecting, GBP USD to go up, but I have to wait for the right entry, because when I place the trade I see a lot of things like the price action, my moving averages, I will see the trend. As you can see, trend is up and is strongly up. So I will have a look the trend, then I will have a look my bar chart strategies. So there are a lot of things I have to get the confirmation from them before place any kind of trade. So, and the guys who watch my previous video, they knew, let me zoom out a bit more for you guys so you will know what I'm talking about. The guys who watch my previous free signal video, in that video I bought this pair on this level, that as you can see near to my this daily support level. So what happened there, and on that time the price was 1.2290, and right now it's moving on 1.2470. It's about nearly 170 pips. But as you can see, let me remove this and let me zoom out for you guys, so I will show you what I am expecting, and that's my take profit of that pair. And right now we are here, we literally cover half of our way, and that's my stop loss and that's my entry point. So as you can see, I have about 150 pips stop loss. Some people knew and some people think that's a big stop loss, but as you can see, I have this take profit which is 1.28 level, and I'm placing this trade from 1.23 level. That's about 300 pips. So you can calculate my risk reward ratio. Sometimes I knew I have a big stop losses, but same I have big target as well, take profit as well. So what I'm expecting from GBP USD, it will go up. So if you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Like if you want to drag your SL, if you have a small account, so you want to drag your SL, I will definitely do it in future. So please ask me. Excuse me. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro GBP. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew I was expecting Euro GBP to go down. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade and we earned about all this pips. The reason why we sold it, as you can see, I have one running trade on that pair as well. So let me zoom out for you guys. Yeah, The guys who watch my previous video, I placed this trade on this level. That's my stop loss level and that's my take profit level. So let me zoom in, because right now this trade is running about 100 pips, but let me zoom in so I can show you guys why I placed this trade. So as you can see guys, there are that pair reached to my two key resistance level, so I sold it from here. But what I'm waiting for right now to break this support level, then it's gonna go down and it will go down a lot. So let me show you one more thing, like let me zoom out so I will what kind of movement I'm expecting. So as you can see, this is my support level. When it breaks, so my take profit is near to my this weekly support level, which is 0.86. From right now price is 0.90. From here is a bit more, 400 pips down. So what I'm expecting from this trade is about 500 pips. So what I'm expecting from this pair is, according to my analysis, what I'm looking in the market, I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down, and it will go down a lot, but still it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. Alright, let's move to our next pair, which is GBP AUD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we get all these 200 or 250 pips because we buy this pair from here, and because it was near to my support level. As you can see, I have still running buying trade on this pair. The reason why, because I'm expecting big up movement. As you can see, that's my take profit is about 1.85. From current price is about 500 pips. Yes, you heard it right. So next Monday I will see the price action here as well, because as you can see it's near to my key support level, and what I am expecting from GBP AUD, it will go up and it will go up a lot. Alright, so let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CAD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade from this support level, and I have running this trade on this account as well. What I am expecting from CAD, GBP CAD, it will go up and it will go up a lot. Same like from my previous trades. The guys who watch my previous free signal video, we placed this live trade, and as you can see we placed that trade from 1.68 level. When let me remove this and I will show when it touch this support level and it start going up, and I place this trade. So what I'm expecting, GBP CAD to go up, and it will go up a lot. As you can see, that's my take profit. From current price, from my take profit is about 700 pips, and that's my support, that's my stop loss. So I'm expecting GBP CAD to go up, and it will go up a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP CHF. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we bought this pair from this level, and I have running trade as well on that, so we are in profit in that trade. So I was expecting it will go up, and the same thing is happening, is going up. So now I'm expecting a bit down movement, like this kind of movement, and then it will go up. So I'm expecting excuse me, GBP CAD, GBP CHF to go up. Let me zoom out and show you one of my trade as well, which I placed with you guys in my previous video on my live trading session. As you can see, that's my entry point, that's my stop loss, and that's my take profit. I know some people will say I have big stop losses, big stop loss point, but on the other hand we have big take profits as well. So, but if you need smaller stop losses and smaller take profits entries, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel, and you can contact me on Telegram at UK Pro Traders, and also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well at UK Pro Traders, so you will get the proper entry on my Telegram paid channel. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP JPY. The guys who watch my previous video, my live trading previous video, which I have done with you guys live trading. So I will show you the result of that, because I was touch GBP JPY touch my this support level and it will go up. Now it will coming down because I'm expecting this type of movement again, and I'm expecting GBP JPY to go up. If it break this level, the next target is that. So now I'm gonna show you the trade, because I placed those trades in my previous live trading session on 30th of July. This trade is already, basically there are two trades who hit their TP or SL. We have GBP JPY, that trade is hit our take profit, and we have NZD CAD trade is already hit the SL. So let me show you the history of those trades, what happened with those trades. So as you can see guys, that's the history of those trades. You can see that's GBP CAD trade which already hit the stop loss point. We placed that trade on 0.87767 level, and the stop loss was 0.88. From that to it's about 70 pips, and our take profit was 0.84, but it's hit our SL and we are out from this trade. But on the other hand, as you can see, the GBP trade which I showed you, we placed that trade on 1.3235 level, and it's already hit our take profit, which were 1.3443. so we earn about 200 pips from that trade. So as you can see, we earn about $154 from that trade, but we have one bad trade, because if someone says they have 100% accuracy, that's a lie. If you ask me, yes, in my group you will see some trades they hit SL as well. So in the end of the video I will show you the my paid group result for this week as well, or you can go in the description, there is a link of my Telegram channel. You can find all the result of the previous weeks or previous months as well over there as well. So we have $41 loss from this trade, but it's covered, so we have $111 profit for that. Let's move back to our analysis, because the video is going long for this week. Excuse me. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP NZD. As you can see, it's already break our this support level, but I will see the price action because I'm expecting it will go down. But if I go this kind of moment, I will got the confirmation, then I'm definitely gonna buy this pair, because I'm expecting GBP NZD to go up. But guys, that's my point of view, what I'm expecting from this market. This is not a signal, so if you need a proper signal, you have to join my Telegram channel, so you will get proper entry point, take profit price, and stop loss points over there. So that's it from the GBP pairs. Let's move to the New Zealand now. So let's move to our next pair, which are New Zealand pairs. So that's the chart of the NZD CAD. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew I was expecting it, this pair will go down, but it didn't happen. So what I'm expecting, let me zoom out for you guys so I will see. Yeah, so that pair is already, that pair previously, as you can see, it took resistance from here, and that was the previously support level. So that's another support and resistance level. So if it's break that, the next target is NZD CAD is our 0.91, which is our monthly resistance level, but I wasn't expecting that's gonna happen. So what I'm expecting, this kind of movement from NZD CAD, and then I'm gonna save this because I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD JPY. Right now NZD JPY, as you can see, is between, so I am not interested to place any kind of trade in that pair. It's going up. When it will come up on this level, then we will see the price action. We have to sell it or it will go further up. Right now trend is up and trend is strong as well. So let's move to our next pair, which is NZD CHF. As you can see, it's touch over this support level and it start going up. So what I'm expecting, when it will come up on this level, then I'm looking for this sell. So I'm not gonna do anything for with NZD CHF for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD USD. Let me zoom out. This is the chart of NZD-USD. If NZD-USD breaks 0.6566 level, the next target of NZD-USD is 0.70. Yeah, you heard it right. But I wasn't expecting that's gonna happen. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, and I'm expecting this pair will go down. If it breaks this support, the next target of NZD-USD is 0.60, which also I'm not expecting that's gonna happen. The reason is market is moving on this range only. So let's see, if it's break that, it will go up, or if it's break that, it will go down. So we can say, if you want to, if you are a range trader, so right now this pair is in range, so we can do trading like here, buy sell, but we have to see where it will go. All right, so let's move to our next pair, which is USD CAD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold USD CAD and we earned about 100 pips from that trade. And you also can see I have running trade on this account as well, on USD CAD. At the end I will show you the running trade as well. So what I am expecting, that's my take profit and that's my stop loss, and risk reward ratio is very good. So what I am expecting, USD CAD to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. Let me show you some trades which are running. Okay, let me go to the trades. Yeah, as you can see, I started this account last week on 9,000 something pounds. So right now is my balance is 10,250 pounds, 225 pounds. Sorry, 10,025 pounds. The equity right now is 10,616 pounds. That's the running trade. So I was talking about this trade, USD CAD. That trade is running, giving us right now $71. Right now running trade profit is 603 pounds. So that's my all running trades. So we have this negative trade as well, AUD CAD one, which I spoke about before. I think that's the only trade which is in minus. Yeah, we have some trades more than 100 pounds, like GBP USD is giving 142 pounds. Your GBP is giving us 125 pounds right now, but I'm not gonna close this trade right now because I always love to respect my analysis, what I'm thinking, because whenever you take any decision, is not good, you will back out from the decisions. Yeah, I know sometimes we have to back out, but I just wait for hit SO or take profit only. So what I'm expecting, let's come back to the this pair. So I'm expecting USD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD JPY. As you can see, it's touch over these two support level and it will go up. We earn this amount with, but we didn't sell. So what I'm expecting, this kind of movement, and then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting maybe it will come down to this level and then I'm gonna buy again. So because I'm expecting this pair to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CHF. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew I was expecting USD CHF to go up, so we bought it to. As you can see, market is running only on this range from last couple of weeks. So it's coming down again on this support line. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we buy this pair. So sometimes some of my members, they ask me why we buy this pair. So if you want to know, I'm running my course, education course, so you can join that. So it's touched my this support level, so I bought it. So what I'm expecting, USD CHF to go up, and it will go up a lot. So let's see, when the market will open, I'm gonna buy this pair again. So if you want to buy, you can buy as well, but what's the proper entry point? You have to join my Telegram channel, so you will get the proper entry point over there. Because maybe if it break this support level, then it's gonna go down at least this level, because it's gonna test this low as well, and then it's gonna go up. On the longer time frame, I'm expecting USD CHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is gold, which is our last but not the least pair, gold. So let's see what gold will say. The guys who are in my paid group or watch my previous video, I was expecting gold to go down, and exactly the same thing happened with the gold. And the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold gold on this level and we earned all these pips. We earn about, in this week in total, because we have 3 gold trades, in total we earn about 750 pips only from gold trades. Yeah, you heard it right, 750 pips for only for gold trade. Let's come back to the analysis of the gold. So I will wait for this kind of moment and I'm gonna sell gold again because I'm expecting gold will come down. But if gold break, let me zoom out for you guys so it's gonna easier for me. Let me go to the weekly or monthly chart. So what monthly chart is saying, if gold break 1800 level and the next target of gold is 1840, and if it break that, then 1900 is our target. So whenever you do trading in gold, so be careful with that, because right now gold is moving very confusingly, because it's doing about 200 to average about 200 to 300 pips movement in a day, and that's the massive movement. But if you ask me, I'm expecting gold to go down. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. So I'm gonna start the daily basis analysis as well from this Monday, so you guys will get the analysis on Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and the Thursday night. So thank you very much for watching for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Cheers. Bye.